So today we will see how we can do a benchmark testing for Python, PHP, and JavaScript code. Okay, so we had a job take where they gave a set of email again with some other information where we need to extract only the email. Alright, so we wrote the code and then we thought, okay, why don't we run a benchmark test for our subscribers? So here you can see, so this is a sample one which I have shown you. Okay, so the real one is in emails.json. So some of the informations are actually restricted to show, so I'm not showing those emails.json, but whereas you will be having access to these codes, how we capture the codes and how we run the test data. All right. So first, let's see for the JavaScript. Okay. So what we have done is we used to gather the email address, the data, okay, not the email address, the data which also contains the email address, all right, which is in emails.json. Okay, so step one will be to capture the data, and then it's actually in JSON format. We need to convert it and then remove empty values, okay, and then capture the emails only. After we capture the emails, we need to chunk it in the size of hundreds, okay, so that we can send limited set of emails at one point. Okay, that's the idea. Okay, so here you can see, here we have chunk the whole data. Okay, I will repeat. Read the file contents. Okay, so this will read the file content. After that, capture only the email data. After that, you need to filter out empty values. After that, you chunk the values. Okay, chunk the whole thing. Okay, and then when we run, we used to get different set of uh, files. Okay, so now let's run the JSON file, sorry, the JavaScript code. Okay, let's run the JavaScript code. Before that, let's go for result.txt. Okay, so let's say, so Node.js. Okay, the first one is the Node.js. Okay, so let's go for node index.js. Okay, you can see here this whole operation executed in 1.29 milliseconds. Okay, 1.29 milliseconds. All right. So the next one is using PHP. Okay, so let's go for PHP, index.php. Okay, you can see here it comes to 24 milliseconds. Okay, you can clearly see from the timer this Node.js is very closer to 1.29. Okay, so let's go here and then go for PHP, which is 24 milliseconds. Right. So what happens if we run with Python? Okay, Python index.py. Okay, so it takes 16 milliseconds. Okay, 16 milliseconds. Python is 16 milliseconds. Okay, so in our conclusion, the Node.js program executes literally fast and it works very fine with JSON kind of files. Okay, again, this depends on the code, the concept, what we are actually doing. Okay, it totally depends on that. Okay, of course, we also tested with datetime object, but it gave up to 15 milliseconds. Okay, we thought we should not show that to you, but on the result, from what we have got, we can see this Node.js is a clear winner. Okay, in this benchmark testing, Node.js goes to the clear winning side. Okay, so the code, okay, the codes will be available for you. You can get it from a GitHub link. Okay, the same concept area we applied. You get the contents, run a map function. After that, run a filter function. After that, run a chunk function, and then put it in a JSON file. Okay, so let's say we go here. You can see here 1.js, 1.php, 1.py. So those are all different programs it has been executed. Okay, so the result will be the Node.js is the clear winner of a very good margin. Okay, so Node.js executes in 1.29 milliseconds, whereas PHP goes to 24 milliseconds and Python goes to 16 milliseconds. Right.